bunch of heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know.
Hi guys, today we're going to be playing the Ikea store SCP-3008, which will be in the link in the description, and I'm going to be playing with...
It's Flames here.
Yep, Flames, which is my sister. So yeah, this game is basically an infinite Ikea store. Oh, before that, I'm also playing with my brother. Say hi, Tonyo. Yeah.
Oh, and we're also joining some of my friends.
Yep.
If they don't know who they are, because they only text and chat. They aren't in our call right now. So
yep. Also guys, this game is about an infinite Ikea store where you got lost in it, and it has days, and it turns night, and in the night there's like workers that come for you that say get out of the store, and they start killing you
for like 2 hours right now because I like it.
And they're monsters that try to chase you.
I need you to come. So
wait, Alonzo, wait.
My friend is keeping.
But yeah, there's monsters. That go everywhere, and in the daytime they're chill, but in the fog they're not. They still attack you, but you can't attack them.
Alright.
And then in the night, like, you gotta say, like, run or hide. You can build bases to survive. Like, that's a monster. In the night it's gonna go ham. Your energy to get more energy.
So I can go get more wood.
Oh, see guys? Yeah, I know, I'm telling them for you. And then, yeah, basically, they're in the fog, they chase you, you can't hit them, but in the night you can hit them. And then you gotta build houses and stuff. And to get energy, you can eat this food, like that. And then it should say you the health and stuff. To get health, you need medkits. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Just make sure it's not night. I'm coming. I'm eating some stuff to get energy back. I'm running as far as I can. Cause, oh look, some medkits. So, yeah.
Oh, I have tons of medkits.
I got
so my friend came, okay.
Alright, I got some medkits. I'll eat one snack.
You see my friend right there?
I see hands.
His name is Captain.
Oh, there's a small person in our base. There's a small person.
What color are they? What color?
A small person. It's like it's a SCP. Help! It's a small one. Alright, well guys, we made it. They have a house pre-built for us, so we don't spend like 50 hours on this thing. Who's this Chucky person?
I made it.
Who's that scary person?
Oh my god. Get under the bed, get under the bed, get under the bed.
So, who's that green person? Who's that green person?
Hold on. Tell my friend under bed.
Who's that green person?
That's also a friend. That's also my friend.
Under bed. When did you add him? When did you add him?
Oh, a while ago. Get under the bed.
You guys can also take fall damage, guys, of course, like I just did. I don't wanna, I just wanna help the people that I cannot with.
Oh, yeah, the person. Yeah.
And if you guys want more of these episodes, please tell me.
Under bed. My friend, my poor friend, under bed. Oh god. Get out. Help. Oh, I'm gonna die. I died. I died. It doesn't matter because I'm going to collect food. But I died. that was sad. I don't know why I died, but I did die.
Oh,
okay.
well, I'm stuck, guys.
Stay there. Oh no, my friend died too.
I'm stuck. I'm the only one alive. I don't even have a waypoint. Let me create one. The base. Great.
Okay, well.
Okay, cool.
I'm going back.
Well, they all
I'm going
died.
back.
Look at all these med kits. Oh, that's pretty swag.
Hey!
Look at all
Yeah,
those
you see,
beautiful
I've been
med kits.
stacking. I've been stacking.
Alright, well, I'm gonna let this person out of the base because I'm cool.
Too.
Please climb up, little friend. Here, follow me. Hello. Mate. But yeah, guys, this game's pretty cool. As you can see, they have their own base built.
I'm telling my friends to add a waypoint because
Come on.
I'm getting food while I'm out here because, yeah.
Follow me. Can you follow me, please? This monster doesn't seem to follow. Oh, heck no.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!
Oh,
Oh no!
heck.
It's red! It's red! I'm heading back home. Oh lord!
Oh,
Oh lord!
thank
Oh
gosh.
lord! Oh lord! I'm heading back. I'm heading back right now. I'm heading back right now.
Oh, what the light? No, come on, come on. Oh, thank goodness,
I'm
guys.
heading back.
Oh, but yeah, the night they start attacking people and you can hit them. Yeah.
I'm heading back. Why do you talk like that? Why are you Why are you whistling?
What do you mean?
You're whistling. You
So-
just whistled.
So you guys can come here.
What? I already know. I have a waypoint.
What about your friends?
They're not added to you. You have to add them. So they can see the waypoint. Did you know that?
You
have to
added
add
them? You added them?
They're my friends. What do you think?
You can add people?
Yes,
How?
they're my friends.
How can you
No,
add?
you can't add them. You actually have to. They're my actual friends.
Yeah, but like, how can you add them to the base, like your waypoint?
You can't. I don't know.
You're
Let me add them.
confusing me.
Hold on.
What do you mean? You haven't even
Oh.
added them on Roblox?
Yeah, I have them added on Roblox. That's why.
So you're gonna add them where?
They're my friends on the game in the actual game.
Yeah,
So-
but like, what do you mean you're gonna add them where? To the waypoint? Wait, can you see my waypoint?
No.
You're confusing me. Oh, whatever, guys. But if you guys want more of these, and yeah, if you want us to continue the new series.
Hey, why did you get rid of my door?
What door?
Don't do that. Don't move things.
I didn't even move anything.
Yes, you moved my door.
Mm-mm.
Oh god. Oh my god. Hey, you moved my door. Hold
I
on.
didn't though.
Hold on, move! Oh god, I'm dying. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm
Oh.
dying. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, I died.
Oh, heck no.
Okay. Okay, hold on.
Oh, guys. Oh, I gotta be kidding me. Guys. Oh, I died, guys. Because of my sister, she ended up bringing the
Hey,
monsters to
no.
me.
It was already in there.
It wasn't. When I was there,
Yes, it was. It was on top. It was on top. It was literally on top.
and who lured them there? You.
It was on top. And I went through the top.
Oh, guys, she lured them there. We all know.
No, it literally was on top. It was there, chasing you.
It wasn't, but okay.
It was.
You could watch my YouTube video and you'll find out.
And you can see my perspective. You'll find out.
How can I see your
If I was
perspective?
recording.
Yeah.
If I was recording.
There
But
it
you
goes.
lured. It was right there. It was right there.
It wasn't, but okay.
It was.
Yeah, I know more of
Hold
this
on.
game than you, Alondra.
No, you don't, and it explains to you.
Flames, I know more than you.
How long have you been playing?
I don't know, 2 months?
I've been playing for 2 hours. Well, technically 3 hours, but
No, like the actual game.
yeah, this game I was playing for 3 hours. And it was right there.
It wasn't, but okay. Well, guys, I'm going
That's
to the
green
base. When should we end this video, Alondra? Like right now or what?
It's flames.
Flames, but when should we end it? What the?
Turn you off.
What are these kids doing?
They're not kids.
These monsters. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put this thing here so I can actually be safe.
I have so many waypoints on this map. Ooh, look, my screen froze. Guys, my screen froze. Ooh.
Okay, I'll put this here so I can just hide here. But guys, after we survive this night, there's a look at that tall one, bro. Look at that guy.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Look at this dude.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
Hold on, I'm gonna do something real quick.
You don't wanna know. Oh my gosh. Guys, be careful when it comes to these people. They can climb walls and stuff.
Is it gone?
I don't know, probably. Oh, they're
Check.
our friends.
Check if it's gone.
I can't.
Is it gone?
Probably not. Oh,
Oops, nope.
your friend died.
Again? Seriously? How? Okay.
Good thing I made this. I have to fix it real quick. Alondra, what are you doing?
What do you want? This is mine. Base. Stop ruining my base.
Uh-oh. Bro, this guy's squishing me. What is your problem? Oh, you got him stuck. Okay, well, you got that random guy stuck, by the way. And then,
Are they all gone?
yeah, I think probably not.
Okay, I need you to cover the cracks right there.
Krusty Krab,
Oh,
hey
there's
yo.
one on top.
Krusty Krab, they must be dusty. I'll probably put it like here. Put it like
Okay.
here. Here. Here.
I died.
Well, guys, it seems like I'm the only person surviving. I thought your base was foul-proof.
It was! It's just I needed a roof. Hold on. It is. It's because I don't know who sent them. They're-
You know what time when it's gonna turn day?
No.
Well, guys, I hope I survived tonight. Come on.
Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute until it turns.
How do you know?
Oh, my friend said in chat. 1 minute. Oh, my.
But I don't
30
wanna I don't wanna be stuck, guys. I guess it worked.
We have to add a roof. That's the thing. We need a roof. And to cover the holes.
What is that? Oh, fight me!
10 seconds.
Hey, fight me! Fight me! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
That's not how it works.
Should have been there. What?
1 minute.
And
1 second. Oh, there you go.
alright guys, we survived. It's day 61. I hope you guys
My
enjoy
friend
this
also,
place.
my friend
Uh,
also day. Okay.
uh-huh. If you guys want more of this, tell
Comment
me.
down below.
Yeah. But I'm gonna die here, but see you guys. Bye.